48 hours and you're up the creek. Thursday, the price of silver reverses. Everyone's staring at Trump, they're staring at tariffs, they're staring at inflation. What they should be looking at is what's coming to hit silver in just 48 short hours. Check this out. Well, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free, it's fun. Click that link, take home that silver. Now, check this out. This is from Trading Economics, and they're showing we're getting some heavy hitting economic data this Thursday. We have GDP revisions and we have fresh jobless claims. Both of these numbers move markets, especially metals like silver. Weak GDP signals slowing growth, which usually sends investors running to hard assets like silver. But if GDP comes in stronger than expected, we could boost the dollar and send silver prices down. Same thing with jobless claims. High claims could push silver up as people expect more economic weakness coming, while low claims might push silver down. And here's something stackers should remember. Silver doesn't always react instantly. It does not. Sometimes markets fake people out before showing their real hand. Be patient. If Thursday's data surprises, we may not see the full impact on silver until the dust settles a day or two later. Look at this. This is from investing.com. The US dollar index is sitting on a nice edge right now. Strong data Thursday could spike the dollar, and a stronger dollar typically pressures silver prices lower. But if that data disappoints, the dollar could sell off fast and silver could rip higher. In other words, Thursday could be the pivot point for silver in July. Don't get too comfortable in either direction. A lot of stackers underestimate how closely silver trades against the dollar, especially at these sensitive moments. It's not just about inflation. It's about perception of stability. The dollar weakens, silver becomes a more attractive store of wealth overnight. Keep your eye on DXY this week. Check out Kitco. Silver's hovering right now around a key breakout level between $38 and $40. If Thursday's data disappoints, silver could reverse fast and break higher. But if the data is strong, we could see a pullback before the next leg. People waiting to buy the dip might miss it entirely if silver reacts violently upward on weak data. This is why having a plan matters. The bigger point here is that markets don't wait for you to feel ready. They don't. If you're stacking, focus on long-term fundamentals, not day-to-day noise. The people who panic buy at $45 later this year, people who do that, they're the same ones ignoring these signals today. So here's your 48-hour heads up. Silver could either be pushed down or that match could be lit. We are at a key moment for the price of silver. We've got momentum heading to break that $40 level, and that's a psychological level. When we break that, people get really excited. I wouldn't be surprised at all to see a lot of fear missing out crowd jumping in, giving even more momentum, sending silver up to $45. Look at where we were a year ago today. We're in the low $20 range. That's how fast silver is moving at this time. It's a very exciting time for silver. And get your own metal. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles, 20 eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Click that link, be the next winner on that list, take home that silver, and I'll see you on the next one.